Hi everyone, my name is Slavisha Mihailovic, and in this tutorial, after seeing how to modify existing pages, after seeing how to submit tasks to the workflow, we are going to see how to create a new page and how to add, let's say, default or standard content. I will open OpenTextCMS. I will click on Home Website. And I will create a new test page under Tupper Party. So my test page will be displayed in the main navigation here. Remember, you cannot create new pages in the top utility links. You cannot create new items in the main navigation. You cannot create new items in the footer navigation because of many reasons. But you can create sub-pages under the main items here. Remember that we have 3 levels of navigation. We have the first level here. All the sub-pages are second level, and you can also add a third level of navigation. In this case, I want to create a new page here. To create a new page here, I have to be in the parent page, which is Tupper Party in this case. So I have to click there. When the page is loaded, I have to open the main settings. And now, by the end of the list of all these red dots, you have Assistant, Create and Connect page. I will click there, a new pop-up will open. The process is a little bit long, you have to click next many times, but it's actually very simple. So the only thing I have to enter here is the headline or navigation entity, and in this case it will be, let's say, test page Philippines 1, because I'm working on the website, on the test website for the Philippines, so that's why I'm entering this headline. I click next. Operation is running, please wait. Now the system is creating the page in the background, it's connecting it to the right place, it's doing many things automatically. When it's done, you get this, let's say, confirmation message. Nothing to be changed, you just see that the page ID is 460 in this case, and that the page headline is test page Philippines 1. The only thing you need to do is click next. Now, another information for you. In most cases you don't need to change anything, so you just click on next, but I think it's important for you to understand what is the new file name you see here. As you can see, each word is separated by a dash, and that's because this part, this let's say headline, will be used in the address of your page. The final address of this page, the final URL, will be something like, let me open Notepad to show you. It will be, in this case, the main domain, Tupperware brands.ph for Philippines / test-page Philippines. I don't remember how it was now. Okay, test page Philippines 1. So this will be the address of my page, and that's why the file name is very important. This is important not only for humans like us, but it's also important for search engine optimization. If Google or other search engines find important or interesting keywords in the address of the page, and if these keywords are repeated in the content of the page, you will somehow optimize that page for those keywords. If you create a third level page, there will be another slash at the end, and the third level page will have this address. So this is why that's very important. Now I will of course not change anything. I will just click on next. Operation is running, file name is saved, next. For now you can ignore this part, just click on weiter, which is next. We will see in another video tutorial how to use those options. You click next, next again. Meta description. The meta description is optional but very useful in terms of search engine optimization. You should enter a very short summary of your page. This summary will not be displayed on the website. It will be hidden in the source code of your page, and that meta description will be analyzed by search engines like Google. So in this case you should enter a very short description of this page, okay? And of course in this very short description you should use a few keywords that have something to do with the content of your page. So the name of the product, the I don't know, the type of a party, tips, types of parties, anything related to the page you are working on. So in this case it's a test page. I will simply delete it. I will click next. The system will tell me meta description is too short. Do you want to continue? Yes, of course, I want to go on. Completed successfully. Next. Now finally the pop-up will close and the page in the background will refresh. Actually, you can see that we created a new test page for Philippines. It's displayed in the top main navigation. It's of course displayed also in the left navigation. We have here the headline we entered a few seconds ago, and now we are ready to edit some other contents of this page. So let's quickly see which options we have, even if we already saw them. So first of all, I will open main content. I will enter intro text, which is actually a kind of sub-headline. This is my optional sub-header. I click OK. The page in the background will refresh. Now I will add some long text, which is actually the main content. Quick reminder for you again, when you copy paste some text, in this case I will use this lorem ipsum text, copy. I go back to my text editor. Remember, either you click this icon to paste unformatted text, this is very important, or you paste your text in Notepad, which deletes all formatting, and then you may paste it here. So I will click this icon and my text will be pasted. I will click it twice just to make the text a little bit longer. I click OK and the page in the background will refresh. Now let's say that for some reasons I don't want to have the right column animation here. I will simply go in the main settings and I will click on page type. As you can see, it's default. Default means that the right column animation is there, the content is here, and that's how it looks. Now if I click on page type, I will switch to wide content area. I click OK. The page in the background will refresh and you will have more space for the content. As you can see, the page is wider and the right column animation is not displayed anymore. It's there, but it's hidden. So you can switch to wide content area if you want to display a very large image, or if you want to, for some reasons, if you don't like or if you don't want the right column animation, you can hide it in this way. I will switch back to the original status, so page type wide, back to default, OK, and now my right column animation will be displayed again. In another video tutorial we will see how to change the images of the right column animation and which other things can be changed there. Now the only thing I will do, I will enter a small article picture. Remember that the small article picture is very important because it's displayed in the content of the page. By default, it's displayed also in the main navigation, and then you can hide it either in the navigation or either in the content. So there are many options, but the most important thing is that you know how to add that image. So I will click on small article picture. The image manager will open. Quick repetition on how to upload new images and how to crop them. I will click on upload, browse. I will choose my folder where I have some test images. There it is, Indonesia test 1. I will simply upload this picture. When the picture is selected, I have to click on upload. I get the confirmation message. Now I click on manage items. I scroll down a little bit. I click on the file name to select that picture. As you can see, it's a large picture, so I have to crop it. To crop it, you click on create new variant, which means you create a copy of that picture. The copy is displayed at the bottom of this page. You click on edit. Here you enter small article picture, which will not be displayed on the website. Now you select small teaser picture because I'm entering a small article picture. You select the area of this image that you want to use. I will select the sky. In this case, it's just a test. Scroll down, save, scroll down again. Oops, scroll down again. Here is my small article picture. As you can see, it's cropped, and now I can click this red button or red icon to send that image to the page in the background. Transfer in process, please wait. Completed. Close. The image manager will close automatically. The page in the background will refresh automatically, and I will have my new image there. Now, if you are done with this page, you can go in tasks. You select the language on the left. Here you can see that I generated only one new task because I created a new page, so I have only one task to submit to the workflow. I will select it, right click, submit to workflow. The task will disappear and my change will be published on the test website tomorrow, so 1 day later. So this is how you create a new page and how you add some default or standard content to that page. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, let us know via email or service desk ticketing system. Thank you.